right, let's take a look at this one. X squared plus 3x minus 18. So first we draw our parentheses, we put x in each one, and then what are the factors of 18? 1 and 18, 2 and 9. Which one can be, erase one. Let me do it in the right order. 3 and 6. I taught this once, but I ran out of tape, so I'm having to redo it. 3 and 6. All right. So now, which of these can be added or subtracted to get 3? 1 and 18? No. That'd be 19 or 17. 2 and 9? No. That'd be 11 or 7. 3 and 6? Ding, ding, ding. We got it. So we put 3 and 6. It doesn't matter which one goes where because these are x's. Now then, the bigger number, and 6 is bigger than 3, gets the sign of the middle term. It's a plus. Now, what does this one need to be for that to be negative? It needs to be negative because a positive times a negative is negative. So these are our factors, and now to get our solutions, the idea behind it is you set each one equal to 0. X minus 3 equals 0, x plus 6 equals 0. I don't know why I crossed them there. And you solve it. Why is x not alone? Because it has a plus 6. What's the opposite? Minus 6. What I do to one side, I do to the other. These cancel out. X equals negative 6. Why is x not alone? It has a minus 3. What's the opposite? Plus 3. I was getting my cart before the horse. And what we do to one side, we do to the other. Those cancel out at x equals 3. So these are the solutions. And if we could see the graph of this, it would cross at negative 6 and 3. That's where our parabola would cross. All right, here's one. It's a big old mess. It's ugly. What do we need to do first? Gather up our terms. Got to do our dance. Woo! Okay, so got to get everything on this side. So to move the positive plus 3x, I do a minus 3x to both sides. And those cancel out. To move the minus 5, I do a plus 5 to both sides. So I get 2x squared minus 20x plus 50 equals 0. Remember, y and 0, weirdly the same thing. Notice 2 goes into all of these. So I pull out a 2. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times negative 10 is negative 20x. And 2 times 25 is 50. But remember, it just goes away. It gets divided into that 0. It's gone. Which is really fun for me. All right. So now we got to figure out our factors of 25. 1 and 25, 5 and 5. Which ones can be added or subtracted to get 10? It's not 1 and 25. That'd be 26 or 24. It's 5 and 5. The bigger one gets the sign of the middle term. Well, they're the same bigness. They're both 5. So it turns out they both get the sign of the middle term, because you have to have 2 negatives to make a positive for that 25. Now, what you set them both equal to 0 and solve them, and they both end up being 5. It's not that it's touching in 2 places. It's that the parabola is just sitting on the x-axis on 5. There's only one place it touches. It's not crossing the x-axis like that one did. It's just sitting on it. There's one solution, and it's 5. All right? So do this with your calculator. Practice. Get good at it. Get these ideas in your head. And as long as you don't have a concussion, it's really not that bad. Math is great.